found a dead bird. It's so disgusting. I'm not that close to it though. It looks like a big bird. There's worms inside it killing it. They're eating it. So
his bone.
Where?
It's right there.
Let's post this on YouTube.
That's disgusting.
I know. Flip it over some more, please. Come on, dude. You want to get 1,000,000 hits on the dead bird?
Oh, his leg.
This is disgusting. I'll be right back, alright? And so we're back. This is even disgustinger. We're moving it. Oh, what is that? Come. Oh my god, I think that's mud.
I ain't touching that bird anymore.
Oh! I think it's its heart.
It's mud.
But it looks like a heart. Go.
I thought the bird was gonna be strong. Like, not bad, but when you saw it, you literally saw his heart. It was disgusting. We'll take a closer look at it.
So disgusting, guys.
There's flies all over it trying to eat the heart.
Yeah.
Gross.
We'll be right back. I thought the bird was pretty cool. But it was disgusting, though. I wanted to do. Because, especially, that there was worms living inside of it. Wait, no. There wasn't worms living inside of it. That was its food. That's why probably the worms were inside of it. So, yeah.
3 hours later.
Oh! There's flies on it!
Flies eating the heart.
We give it more food! Ah! That is disgusting. And that is our review on the dead bird.